In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix horizontal lines on Samsung phone screen. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, before visiting a repair shop, verify if the lines are permanent or just a temporary glitch. So what you want to do firstly is restart your phone. If the lines appear during the Samsung Galaxy boot logo before the operating system loads, the hardware is damaged. Now, take a screenshot and view it on another device or send it to a friend. If the lines are visible in the screenshot, it's a software or GPU bug, and if the lines are not in the screenshot, your physical OLED panel is failing. And Samsung has acknowledged that certain flagship models develop these lines after the heat generated by major updates. So many regions offer a one-time free screen replacement for Galaxy S21s, S22 and S23 series, and even some S24 units, even if out of warranty. The phone must have no physical cracks and no water damage as well. So take your phone to an authorized Samsung service center, mention the free screen replacement policy for display line issues. And if the line only appears at certain brightness levels, it may be a refresh rate issue. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down until you find display, and then go over to motion smoothness and switch it from adaptive to standard to see if that works, as this can sometimes stabilize a failing display connector. And you can also clear the system UI by opening settings and then apps and then finding system UI and then clearing the cache over there. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.